Peppa Pig Tales.
Peppa and her family are flying in an aeroplane.
Woohoo! Yay! I love flying in aeroplanes.
But not everyone loves flying in aeroplanes.
Oh, hello, Madam Gazelle. George and I love flying. Do you love it too?
Actually, I have never been on an aeroplane before, and I am scared. Huh? Oh!
Oh, I know what to do. Miss Rabbit, please can you make the plane go really, really high?
I don't see why not.
Oh!
It's really fun when the plane goes high, Madam Gazelle. Look, we're nearly in space.
Oh! Too high! Too high!
Oh. Can we go lower instead, Miss Rabbit?
Certainly.
Too low! Far too low!
Let's do a loop-de-loop. I don't think that worked either, George. Look, Madam Gazelle.
Oh.
That cloud is shaped like a bird. Do you see?
Yes, I see. And that one is shaped like a relaxing desert island.
Dinosaur.
Oh, it's no good. I will just close my eyes and wait for this to be over.
Oh, dear.
Hello, would you two like an activity book? They're lots of fun.
Ooh. Oh, yes, please. Would you like to do some colouring in with us, Madam Gazelle?
Well, I suppose that might keep my mind off things.
And so Peppa, George and Madame Gazelle did some relaxing colouring for the rest of the flight.
Look at these! The line work, the attention to detail. Incredible! A star plus.
Hooray! We've landed! Whee!
Already? But I was having fun. That wasn't scary at all.
I told you, flying is really fun.
Thank you for helping me, Peppa and George. Now I cannot wait to fly home.
Peppa Pig Tales.
Peppa and Emily Elephant are having lots of fun at the beach today. They love the water.
Look, Emily, I'm a fish. Blob, blob, blob. I have an idea. There's so many fish, Peppa. How did you do that, Emily? Did you hold your breath? No. I can use my trunk to breathe because it's so long. Oh.
What's the matter, Peppa?
I wish I had a trunk like Emily, so I could breathe underwater and look at the fish.
I know. Come with me, Peppa. Ta-da! This long tube goes in your mouth and means you can breathe underwater.
Like Emily's trunk.
Exactly like Emily's trunk.
Why does your voice sound funny, Peppa? It's my snorkel. It means I can breathe underwater like you. Look.
No, Peppa!
Yuck!
Oh, Peppa, you must be careful.
Blech. The snorkel didn't work, and the water tasted horrible.
That's because it's salt water, Peppa. You need to keep your lips shut tight around the snorkel so you can breathe through your mouth without letting water in.
You have to take long, deep breaths, like this.
Peppa practices taking big, deep breaths.
Do you want to try again?
Okay. I did it! I saw lots of colourful fish.
Yes, well done. And thank you for helping her, Emily.
And to get rid of the taste of the salty water, George and I thought you might like some...
Ice cream! Yay! Peppa Pig Tales.
Today is Sports Day at Peppa's Playgroup. There is a pink team and a blue team. They're trying to win gold medals.
I'm going to win! Whoops!
Rebecca Rabbit is finding the sack race quite difficult.
Yay! Hooray!
Emily Elephant on the pink team has won the sack race.
Hooray! You're so fast! Squeak! Oh no! I lost!
You did your best.
And we can still win!
Now it is time for the egg and spoon race.
Faster, Peppa! Squeak!
But Peppa is finding it difficult to run fast and balance her egg.
Slower, Peppa! Don't drop the egg!
Okay.
Slow down, Danny! But don't go too slow! Slower! Faster! Slower! No, faster!
Phew. Squeak.
No! Phew! We did it! We won the race!
It's a draw between the two teams. The next game is ring toss. Whichever team hooks the most rings onto the wooden stick will win Sports Day.
That's 1 point for each team. Another point for each team. It's still a draw. Rebecca and Freddie, it's your turn. But if I miss, we'll lose. Don't worry about winning. Just do your best.
And have lots of fun.
Yay! We lost. Squeak.
But we had a lot of fun anyway.
You're right, Peppa. Well done, pink team. You get gold medals. And the blue team did really well too. So they get silver medals.
Whoa!
The pink team and the blue team love Sports Day. Everyone loves Sports Day.
Peppa Pig Tales.
Stop! Today, Peppa and her family are walking to the duck pond. But there's a big metal barrier in the way.
Sorry, folks. The path is closed.
But we're almost at the pond.
I'm afraid it's much too slippy.
Whoa! Just follow the diversion signs with the bright red arrows. Won't take you long.
A diversion is when you have to go a different way.
Come on, everyone. It'll be an adventure.
See you soon, ducks. Here it is.
Oh.
Peppa has found the first bright red arrow. And another.
Ha!
Ah.
And another.
Oh! Huh.
But the next sign has fallen down.
Wakey, wakey, Mr. Sign.
Nobody knows which way to go.
Do we go left or right?
The right way sounds right. Hooray!
Are we lost?
We're not lost. We just don't know where we are.
When you don't know where you are probably lost.
Look, a duck. Hello, duck. Excuse me, Mrs. Duck. Do you know where the duck pond is?
What a spot of luck! Lead the way, duck.
This is a duck trail, Daddy. We must all waddle like ducks. We're going to the duck pond, big wiggle whack. We're going to see the ducks go quack, quack, quack.
We're going to the duck pond, wiggle, wiggle, whack. We're going to see the ducks go quack, quack, quack.
Peppa and her family have made it to the duck pond.
We did it!
Yay!
You took your time.
I bet you're glad you took the diversion.
Yes, it was much more fun.
Whoa! And much less slippery.
Quack, 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 quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack, quack.
Peppa Pig Tales.
Watch out!
Today, Peppa and her friends are at the water park.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
Before you all go swimming, I have some important rules to teach you.
Miss Rabbit is telling everyone how to be safe in the swimming pool.
The first rule is no splashing.
No splashing, Mr. Bull.
Whoops! Sorry, Peppa. Sorry, Miss Rabbit.
That's okay, Mr. Bull. The second rule is no running.
Silly Mr. Bull. No running.
Sorry again.
Mr. Bull doesn't know any of the rules.
And the last rule is everyone must have a simply splendid time.
Oh!
Have a splendid time, Mr. Bull.
Oh, ho, ho, ho! Right you are, Peppa.
Enjoy the pool, everyone.
What shall we do first? Let's go on the water slide. Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to ride the water slides.
Hello again. Who wants to go down the slide?
Me!
Well, you're in luck. There is one slide for each of you.
Let's have a race.
Good idea. Lucky I brought my flag. On your marks, get set, go! And Danny Dog zooms into the lead. followed by Peppa. Then it's Gerald Giraffe and Susie Sheep coming up behind. It's incredibly close. Water slide racing at its best.
Hello, Granny. Hello, Mr. Bull.
Oh!
They're nearly at the finish line. It's neck and neck. Who will come out on top? It's a draw. Everybody wins.
Peppa and her friends love the slides, but they have forgotten the first rule of the water park.
No splashing!
Peppa Pig Tales.
Who's ready for an adventure to the seaside? Hooray!
Peppa and her family are going out for the day.
Oh dear, I think I forgot to put petrol in the car.
Never mind. Let's take the train to the beach.
Hooray!
Peppa and her family are catching a train to the seaside.
Tickets, please.
We're going to the seaside. And Mummy didn't put petrol in the car.
How exciting. I love the seaside.
I think it's time for some lunch. Peppa, let's look for the dining carriage.
Daddy Pig and Peppa are walking through the train to the dining carriage. It is very wobbly.
Oh, this carriage must be for passengers who want to sleep.
Whoa!
This carriage must be for people who want to play on the train.
Wow! Hi, Danny. Hi, Gerald.
Ah! This must be the cinema carriage.
Excuse me.
Peppa and Daddy Pig have found the dining carriage.
This carriage must be for people who want lunch. Is that your tummy rumbling, Daddy?
I'm afraid the train has broken down.
Oh dear, we'll have to take the bus.
Now, Peppa's family are waiting to catch the bus to the seaside.
All aboard! Next stop, the seaside!
Whoa!
The bus has broken down.
I think somebody forgot petrol again. Now how will we get to the seaside?
Well, we can walk.
The seaside is just down the hill.
This was the best trip to the seaside ever. I can't wait to see how we get back home. Peppa Pig Tales.
Today, Peppa and her family are at the museum.
Look, George. This dinosaur has a sister, and a mummy, and a daddy.
It's a whole family of dinosaurs.
Peppa loves the museum, but it is now closed.
Thanks for coming. See you soon.
But I don't want to leave.
We don't have to leave, Peppa. Tonight, we are having a sleepover at the museum.
Hooray!
Oh.
Oh, what shall we do first on our sleepover?
Let's have a midnight feast.
Yum, yum. Dig in, everyone. Huh? Oh, this orange is rather hard.
All the food in the midnight feast is made of plastic.
What shall we do next, Peppa?
Huh?
Peppa?
Mummy Pig can't see where Peppa has gone.
Here I am. I am a Viking. Grrr.
And I am a Viking. Grrr!
Viking.
And I am a Viking. I mean a woolly mammoth. Grrr.
Everyone is having lots of fun running away from the woolly mammoth. But all this chasing has made everyone quite tired.
I think it's time for bed. Let's find a nice spot to go to sleep.
Whee! Good night, everyone.
It is now morning, and lots of visitors have come to the museum.
Oh, look at these Vikings, Grandad!
Moo! What a great mammoth!
It looks so lifelike.
Everyone thinks Peppa and her family are part of the museum.
Huh? What's going on?
That's not a Viking. That's Peppa. Oh dear. It looks like we didn't just sleep over at the museum, but we overslept.